let's do some stoichiometry for question number 14. We're going to use the 3 steps. It's given you 49 grams of water. So the first step here is to convert that to what? What's the first step? All right. Sig figs, units, substance. All right. First step is to convert that to moles. All right. So we're going to need grams on the bottom of H2O and then moles of H2O on the top. Okay. So these are called conversion factors. They have to be equalities. That means they have to equal each other. So that's going to be 18.016. All right, cross out these units that cancel out. And step 2 is the mole ratio. This is where we're going to convert the substance. All right, so we're given information regarding water, but it's asking information to, wait a minute, I didn't even read the question. Determine how many moles of calcium carbide. All right, so calcium carbide is right there. All right. So it's not always from reactants or products to, or from products to reactants. It can be, from reactants to reactants. All right, it's given us, 49 grams of this stuff here, water, and say, well, how much of this stuff do we need for that water to react? So the mole ratio here is 2 to 1. So we have 2 moles of H2O for every 1 mole of the desired substance, is calcium carbide. Okay. That's using the coefficients here, which are just ones here. 2 to 1. Finally, step 3, let's convert to the desired unit. All right, so we want to get rid of moles. No, wait a minute. Hold on. We're done. There's no unit. This question is asking how many moles of calcium carbide. Right now, we have our unit in moles of calcium carbide. So let's just calculate this out. And we got our answer. 49 divided by 18.016 divided by 2. 1.36. If we have 3 sig figs, yes, we got 3 sig figs. The unit we're left with is moles of calcium carbide.